Hey friends, if you wish to enable the Spotify web player on your browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the website is open.spotify.com. Okay, you can also download the app. I actually prefer the app on Windows computers because it can easily be downloaded from the Microsoft Store. But if you don't want that, then you can also open it in the web browser. You can play music from here, okay, or you can log in and then you can access it better. But here's the thing, here's what I usually do. I will search for store in the Windows search bar. I'll open the Microsoft Store and then I will search for Spotify here and hit enter and install Spotify. Now I'll tell you the reason for that. Even if you try to play music here, the yeah, you can log into Spotify and then access your account, but it is still much better to do it through the app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.